3 or 4. Just want to make y'all see the progress that's going on. I put them in these recyclables, so we're not only doing good by creating our own source of food, we're also recycling all the plastic, all the wastes, everything that in my cupboards that I no longer use. This is peanut butter. I use a lot of peanut butter. These are baby containers. These are like what, applesauce, bleach. These containers and stuff. My applesauce, my cleaning containers, any containers that you can use. I use my lemon juice containers. All these stuff are what we use to recycle. This used to be a whole scanner, bottom piece. This used to be a whole baby sterilizer. I use it as a humidity dome. This is the other half of the bottle. I use it as a water spout to pour my nutrients inside of there. There's just different techniques of being resourceful. We have to be resourceful. And as you see, I have different stages here. I'm ready to take these out of the but I'm giving them a little time because but I realize I can put more than one seed inside of these things and separate them differently, and don't even all the time use the blocks. But like this one, it's growing nice without the sponge, Yeah, so that's just a little technique I'm gonna try to save some money there. Not one per, that's like, for everyone, and try to use several and just separate them and see what goes on. Or I could try another small, different experiment and probably cut the sponge gems in smaller pieces and see what happens with that as well. Yeah, I could try that as well too. That might probably work just as well. We just have to check it out, Yeah, we'll try both ways and see if it's going on. It's a little example, So like they say, you put it 2 weeks. This germinated, I think, like the 23rd or something. Is the 7th of last month, October 23rd. I have to check out my notes, and if anything, in the next video, I will let y'all know the right date. But it's November 7th, and for my first video, I will let y'all know the exact date when I check with the notes when the first set started. So as you see, I have a little perpetual lettuce starting here, so I'll be able to feed my family and 1 and 2 friends every week, fresh lettuce. So this is just my first beginning of the lettuce. Then I will started some peppers, but then there's gonna be the pepper series. I want y'all to follow on to that, subscribe, so you can get a video every time that I add, to see the little resources. I'm going to create all types of different types of recyclable ideas for people to make you see how simple the non-circulating hydroponics is. This is a non-circulating. There's no moving parts. There's none of that. Yeah. So non-circulating, no air pump, no nothing. Yeah, no soil. This is the concept of hydroponics, and for you to understand it. So subscribe. I show y'all the lettuce. We have some more coming on. I'm gonna have a different styles of going about the lettuce as well. I'm just showing y'all that you can get some hydrogen